Nancy?
Hi, Raymond.
You know her?
Yeah. It's my wife. Wife.
Fading again, but I won't give in to you. Don't say goodbye, don't make me cry. Oh, fading again, but I won't give in to you.
Maybe I cheated. This guy look like She, man. She. Time for shopping.
You need to do something about this. This no look good.
Babes, I know, but it's a true I come in late at night time. Yeah, sleep. I'm always busy, I got more, man.
Alright. You need to find some time so I can do it here. This really don't look good.
Alright. So, what do you think about what I said to you?
Well, so, what about the people that we have made the orders then?
Me that explain to them.
I think I should have stopped.
Babe, it now work out. The money what me I take to spend on taxi to drop off the food, it I take up all of the profits.
But you gotta disappoint your regular customer them.
Babes, them will understand. Because you see the car you know me I get now, it work out way better than what me I do at the shop.
That means you still a work for somebody. And you have your own business.
The business now gonna away. I still have it. But let's work on some more money to keep it up.
Yeah, but you need to get the business time to grow.
Well, may I use the money from the hustling now to make the business stronger.
The truth is, you really are getting enough call for the chef thing.
And the money good too, so I can stay from that.
Just keep it same way like how you do it now. No full time, just contract work only.
Yeah man, cause enough events are come up and them need top chef and you know me a top chef.
As long as you live in a restaurant camping so you work there full time.
Yeah man, straight contract. You cannot be an agent.
How much you pay me?
Well, standard rate, we can start at 10%.
20%.
Yeah, wicked enough. As much of my money you want already?
Well, and then. So my answer something. I won't forget it. You have another woman like you out there.
Me? No, ma'am. Are you alone, my love?
Oh, it's better.
What going on?
What happened? The door now work. So your phone now work. No, hold on. Let me tell you something now. You see, when it comes on to certain things, you
Excuse me.
and we talk about this. Right, Angie. Hold on now. Angie. Angie!